Keep your pool crystal clear with the Aiper Scuba S1 pool cleaner. Its cordless design, smart navigation, and powerful suction make pool cleaning fast, easy, and completely hands-free.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Aiper Scuba S1 pool cleaner, retrieval hook, charger supply,
And user manual.
product overview, how to pair. Download the Aiper app, sign in, and connect your cleaner using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Follow the in-app pairing steps to add the device and manage its settings when it's out of the water. How to use? Before using the Aiper Scuba S1, fully charge the battery using the supplied charger until it reaches a full charge. Press the power button to turn on the cleaner and select the desired cleaning mode if your model supports multiple modes. Gently lower the cleaner into the pool, allowing it to fill with water and sink naturally to the bottom before releasing it. The cleaner will automatically navigate the pool, climbing walls and cleaning the floor and waterline as applicable. When the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery is low, retrieve the cleaner using the floating handle or retrieval hook. Remove and rinse the filter basket with clean water. Allow all components to dry completely, and store the cleaner in a cool, dry place until its next use.
Maintenance.
After each cleaning cycle, remove the filter basket, empty the debris, and rinse both the basket and the MicroMesh ultrafine filter thoroughly before reinstalling them. Regularly inspect the drain and clear any trapped debris, and replace worn tracks or roller brush belts when needed to maintain peak cleaning performance. Store the cleaner in a cool, well-ventilated area, and replace the MicroMesh filter about every 30 uses for the best filtration.
LED indicator. Smart features?
Advanced WavePath Smart Navigation intelligently maps efficient cleaning routes to maximize pool coverage. It minimizes missed spots and reduces cleaning time for a faster, more thorough clean. The cordless design allows the cleaner to move freely throughout your pool without tangled cables. It provides convenient, hands-free cleaning with easy operation and hassle-free retrieval. Efficiently cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline for complete pool coverage. It removes dirt, leaves, algae, and other debris to keep your pool clean and inviting. Powerful suction captures leaves, dirt, sand, and fine debris from your pool with ease. The high-capacity filter basket traps particles efficiently, helping keep the water crystal clear. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to match your pool size and cleaning requirements. This flexibility delivers efficient, targeted cleaning for a consistently spotless pool. The high-capacity rechargeable battery delivers extended cleaning time on a single charge. It provides reliable performance, allowing the cleaner to cover large pools with fewer interruptions.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aiper Scuba S1 pool cleaner. See you at the next one.